Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do Spices weekly love reading for the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Spices. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Okay, first card Ace of Cups. Nine of Cups. Wow, good start. Five of Cups. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you, you and your person. I think you are feeling very sad for something in your life. Five of Cups. But that energy is going to be over because Nine of Cups with Ace of Cups. Definitely you are going to be happy in the near future. This energy will be gone. Don't worry. Because Nine of Cups with Ace of Cups, definitely you are doing self-work. Or you are wishing for something. This wish is going to be granted because Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment card. Definitely what you are wishing, definitely it is going to be granted. Please don't worry. But there is some pain in you. You are feeling sad. Or your person may be feeling sad. Energy could be vice versa, depending. So let's see some more. What is your situation? King of Cups. Knight of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. And I pull some more cards. Nine of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Cups. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you and you or your person have some disagreements between both of you. Five of Swords with Nine of Swords. Your person have strong emotions for you, but they are holding back their feelings and they stand by their power. Spices. Definitely it could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa, but I am getting it's your person. Because after the separation you are feeling very sad, but your person, it could be you, then it is your person. Definitely your person stand by their power. They are concentrating on their career right now and they are independent emotionally and financially also. Even though they have strong emotions for you, yes, still they have emotions for you, but they are holding back their emotions. Knight of Swords. Yeah, communication, there is no less communication or no communication between both of you, or if you have communication between both of you, there is very little communication. Nine of Swords with Five of Swords. Definitely there is lot of fighting or drama is going between both of you, or it is already happened between both of you, but you both feel strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups. Reconciliation card here, but you both are separated. For some you both are separated. Six of Cups. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, but one person right now is in anxiety and depression. They are thinking night times a lot. It could be you or your person, depending upon your situation. So let's see some more. Yeah, separation. Five of Pentacles. The Lovers. Gemini, you or your person could be. Seven of Wands. Under the deck, Three of Cups. For some it could be third party situation also. Yeah, definitely there is separation for some between both of you. There is lot of intimacy between both of you. The Lovers card is here. Definitely there is intimacy, but I think one person in this want only physical intimacy, not emotional intimacy. I am getting. That's why the separation is happened for some. For some, one person investing more the other person in this connection. There is no equal give and take, and there is no balance between both of you. That's why the separation is happened. And Seven of Wands. Definitely one person want to continue in this connection even though they know there are some obstacles in this connection, but one person not putting effort as much as the other person. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy. Lot of air energy and lot of water energy is here. So let's pull your person feelings. Spices, your person feelings. First card, guidance, 3 of Pentacles. Sharing, Queen of Pentacles. And success, 6 of Wands. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship. They are very sharing and caring and giving, and they want success in this connection. That's why I think your person may be walked away from you. I'm getting, because your person may very sharing and caring and giving, and they want success with you. 6 of Wands. Your person may be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, because yeah, here the guidance means 3 of Pentacles. There is no collaboration between both of you. Yes, there is no partnership. Even though you might be you both could be friends or lovers, whatever, there is no collaboration between both of you. Guidance means 3 of Pentacles. Yes, your person want to work on this relationship. In that time, you did not put effort as much as your person put in this connection. Definitely they are feeling they want success with you. Still they want to work on this relationship, I am getting. But they walked away. If you want to put equal effort, they will try to put effort. But if you are not giving equal effort, I think they are not allowed. I think they don't want to continue if you don't put as much as effort as they put in this connection. So let's see the near future actions. Spices, your person near future actions towards you. Conditioning, Devil. I think your person may be obsessed with you. Friendliness, 2 of Cups. There is love between both of you. Slowing down, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person want to come towards you, but it is very, very slow energy. And friendliness, yes, there is love between both of you. 2 of Cups. Definitely there is equal love between both of you. But your person obsessed with you. Conditioning, some condition. Because why this obsession is happening in your connection? You are not emotionally available to your person. That's why this obsession is happened between both of you. Your person feeling like they are obsessed with you because you are not available to them emotionally, I am getting. So Spices, there is love between both of you. Your person loves you, and yeah, they want to come towards you, but it is very, very slow energy. I already told you they walked away because there is no equal effort in this connection. That's why they walked away. So if you want your person come back to your life, for some only this, you have to put effort in this connection. So let's pull some cards regarding the connection from the universe, where it is headed. Spices, let's see. 7 of Cups, Page of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, yeah, 9 of Wands. I think you both are waiting for each other to make a first move towards each other. 9 of Swords, you both are guarded up right now. And 7 of Cups, you both are fantasizing about each other a lot, or for some you both are in confusion state. You both don't know what to do and what not to do. And yeah, you both feeling heartbroken without each other. These cards regarding connection cards. So these cards telling you both feelings, telling how you both are feeling. Definitely you both feeling right now without each other, heartbroken. And yeah, you both are guarded up because, and Page of Pentacles, you both want communication. Still you both want to talk to each other, but you both are guarded up due to past situations happened between both of you. So if one person make a move towards other person, definitely there will be some improvement in this connection, but you have to work on this relationship. Or the one person who put less effort in this connection, it could be you, or your person energy could be vice versa. So those who put less effort in this connection have to put equal effort, then it will go to next level. So yeah, under the deck, 5 of Wands. Definitely there is a lot of drama is going between both of you, and there is no contact is going between both of you, and it is your energy Pisces and your person energy suppression. Yeah, 10 of wands, definitely they are feeling very burdened. I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is your person. That's why they're feeling very burdened, suppression. So you have to take responsibility if you want to continue in this relationship, Pisces, I'm getting. Or that person is your person, your person have to put effort. So this is the readings for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.